Well guys, we have been super busy getting work done. You may know that we are renovating our home, working on the master bedroom. Sweet. Working on the bedroom right now, doing tongue and groove boards on the walls. Well, we've just processed 2 mega loads of wood. So basically, we had processed 30 boards, ready to go, tongue grooved, stained and sealed. And now we're going to start processing another 30. Is it 30 that we're doing?
36.
Wow. Okay, so 36 more boards to add to that stack before we start putting them on the walls. So we're going to be giving you guys a bird's eye view, sort of the work and the progress to show you guys the whole scenario of how it works. It's a slow process, but we've been liking it. It's fine. We just got done tongue and grooving these boards, and now they are being stained. After the stain is dry, we come back, seal them with a clear varnish. When that's dry, we come back, sand them, and then seal them again. And then they are done and ready for installation. we just finished up the second and final coat of clear varnish on those boards. Now we have 66 boards finished, and when they're dry, they're going to be ready to hang on the walls, and we should be able to make some pretty big progress in the bedroom with that.
Huge.
The reason we decided to process another batch of wood before hanging the previous one is because we were doing some measurements and some calculations, and we found that it would be more efficient if we bought some 8-foot boards to do one of the walls, and we're doing the walls together. So we can't do any walls alone right now because we want to make sure that the corners are lining up board by board. So we said we have to get a big load of 8-footers so we can do this wall, so then we could do the other wood on this wall and this wall. Hope that makes sense. So basically we should be able to make it up like maybe up to the door height, I hope. We'll see.
At least.
We'll see. And on top of that, on top of all this, we have another 24 boards in the bus ready to be processed because we also bought wood for the ceiling. You guys might not remember, but we didn't finish the ceiling on that part of the bedroom that we're going to be working on. And we can't finish the walls until the ceiling's done. So we're going to have kind of a switching back and forth. We're going to do walls, ceiling, and then walls.
Yep.
That's all we've done. That's all we've accomplished. It's a lot. It's a lot of work. It takes a lot of time. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of exciting things to share in this process.
Like you think you got it right, but then it was still wrong.
Yeah. We're really trying to play catch up right now and get back on track because we lost a couple weeks while the bus was down, not being able to get the bedroom rolling. And we're kind of shooting for a rough timeline of getting in before it gets too cool out.
Yeah.
We'd like to be in there before it hits the 60s, I think.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you're looking forward to seeing that wood go up on the walls. Our second batch is completely dry and ready to install, but we're not going to do it yet. We're going to try to process one more batch, the ceiling boards I talked about. We don't want to keep piling up work for ourselves, but we think it's in our best interest right now to keep going on processing, so that's what we're going to do. So I guess the process begins again.
Good. You can carry those over, and I'll carry the scraps.
Okay. So what we're doing is taking our long boards, we're cutting them to length to fit the ceiling so that we don't have to process extra wood for no reason. I'm being careful to cut off the worst part of the board. So if we have a bad end, that's the end I want to lose. And I'm able to cut off things like bad edges or markings like that. That's going to save me a lot of time later on. That's a lot of work sanding and cleaning up that I don't have to do now. So we're going to do these in small batches. Since we have a small batch done, I'm going to bring them in, get the tongue and groove on them, and then we'll do another batch.
What, like 1,000?
Yeah. brand new garbage bag. So that's the process. You guys have seen it before. Now we're going to move on to the next batch, do the same thing again, 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 and again, and then we should be done. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Why are you wearing Stan's shirt?
This is mine.
Oh.
Picture if it was his and I didn't realize it.
Come here.
Ew. Do I have to look so baggish?
Yeah.
Like a bag?
No, I like it. You look grunge. It's not bag, it's grunge.
90s.
Yeah.
I like the color though, don't you?
Yeah. We just finished up the last of the ceiling wood. That was another 24 boards. So now we have 24 plus, what do we say, 66?
Yeah.
We've done a lot of wood this week. Just so much. And all the wall wood is ready to install right now, like fully ready. So that's awesome. We're going to get working on that soon. Not in this video though. I'm just going to wrap it up. I know we haven't gotten a lot done, but we've gotten so much done. And I don't want to lose the installation in all this boring stuff. So we're going to try to make the installation fun and you guys can watch it just going up.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess that's all we have for now. Lots of wood done. The bus is empty again. We're going to try to get this bedroom done as quickly as possible, and I think we're getting there. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.